And this is how you make your homemade Blacklight. Sharpies, blue and a purple, a cell phone, or LED lights, and or clear Scotch tape, Ziploc sandwich bags. Pow. First you take your blue Sharpie and you color the corner of your Ziploc. You let it dry. Then you take your Scotch tape and you cover over your paint job there with your Sharpie. Blue Sharpie again and give it another coat. You let it dry. Then you take your Scotch tape again and you put another layer of Scotch tape over it. This time you use your purple Sharpie to color on top of that. So this is your third coat of ink. 2 blues and a purple. And your flashlight and your phone stuff. You slip it into the baggie. Some people, I've seen this done before, and people want to use tape, but I don't want to put tape all over my phone. You got to take tape off your phone. The baggie is the trick. There you go. And that's how you make your Blacklight. Do the same process with your little LED lights. Got these for $1 at Walmart. The low lights are awesome. Put them in the baggie, same deal. Same 3 layers, blue, blue, and purple. Pow! Here, it looks pretty clean. Can you flip the light off? Don't look so clean. And if you want to freak out your friends, maybe looking to buy an apartment or a house, you know, tell them you're going to go in there with your little Blacklight and check it out for cleanliness, how sanitary it is. You go in front of them with your little baby powder and put it in the carpet to draw your silhouette of the bodies. Then take a broom and you work it into the carpet a little bit, just where they see it, but it's still there. That way they'll be picked up here if you turn the light out. Light, and you got your baby powder down there. And when the LED light hits it, can let it go across. What? There you go, folks. That's how you freak out your friends. What?